The Millionaire Fast Lane. 7 Passive Income Secrets of the Rich. Have you ever marveled at the staggering wealth of self-made millionaires and billionaires? Wondering what sets them apart? The answer might be simpler than you think, and the secrets closer than you believe. Today, we're lifting the veil on wealth creation as we dive into the realm of passive income, revealing the game-changing strategies of the affluent. In this video, we'll unpack the 7 pivotal passive income secrets that the rich swear by, based on insights from MJ DeMarco's eye-opening book, The Millionaire Fast Lane. From diversifying income streams to leveraging the power of compound interest, we'll explore how you can use these principles to unlock your financial potential. So buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of wealth creation. In this revolutionary finance book, DeMarco busts the myth of slow lane wealth accumulation methods, like saving every penny or relying solely on your 9-to-5 job. Instead, he suggests to create true wealth and financial freedom, you need to take the fast lane. One major way to do this is through passive income. But what exactly is passive income, and how can you use it to accelerate your journey to wealth? Passive income is generated with little to no daily effort, offering financial freedom and flexibility. It can be earned through various avenues, such as investing, real estate, businesses, and more. Secret 1. Diversify your income streams. First on our list is the concept of diversifying your income streams. The rich do not rely on a single source of income, but create numerous passive income streams. This could include investment income, rental income, royalties, dividends, or income from a business. The key here is not to put all your eggs in one basket, but to spread them out, allowing you to weather financial downturns better and increase your earning potential. Expanding on the concept of diversification, the rich understand that different income streams have their pros and cons, as well as their cycles. Some assets might perform exceptionally well during economic booms, while others can provide stable income during downturns. Diversification isn't merely about having different income sources, but it's also about strategically choosing these sources to create a balanced and resilient income portfolio. For example, while rental properties might provide consistent monthly income, investments in stocks could provide higher returns during economic upturns. Secret 2. Create value and leverage scale. The second secret is that creating wealth isn't about time for money trades. Instead, it's about creating value and leveraging scale. The rich understand the value of their time and focus on creating products, services, or systems that can generate income on a larger scale. For example, writing a book or creating an app offers potential to earn income from millions of customers, far more than what you could earn per hour in a traditional job. Remember, wealth is not about time spent, but about the value provided. When we speak of value creation and leveraging scale, it's important to note that it goes beyond selling a product or a service. It's about solving problems or addressing needs on a large scale. The more significant the problem you solve, the larger the potential income. For example, an author who writes a unique book that addresses a widespread problem or interest can generate large-scale income. Furthermore, by leveraging digital platforms, they can reach a global audience, vastly increasing their earning potential. Secret 3. Make money work for you. The third secret is to make your money work for you. As DeMarco articulates, the rich don't work for money. They make their money work for them. This involves investing money into income-generating assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, or businesses. Over time, these investments can provide significant income and capital gains, leading to wealth accumulation. Making your money work for you doesn't happen by chance. It involves diligent research, careful planning, and disciplined investment. The rich understand that every dollar invested is like an employee working tirelessly to generate more wealth. They are mindful of where they invest, focusing on assets with a track record of reliable returns. Additionally, they understand the power of reinvesting their earnings, creating a cycle of increasing wealth generation. Secret 4. Harness the power of compound interest. Fourthly, the wealthy harness the power of compound interest. Compound interest, often referred to as the 8th wonder of the world, is when the interest earned on an investment compound over time, leading to exponentially increasing returns. By investing early and consistently, you can leverage compound interest to grow your wealth significantly in the long run. The power of compound interest is truly unleashed when you combine it with regular and disciplined investments. The rich don't just wait for a windfall to invest. They make regular investments no matter how small. This consistency not only smooths out the ups and downs of the market, but also ensures that their wealth is continually growing. Even a small amount invested regularly can grow into a substantial sum over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Secret 5. Invest in real estate. The 5th secret is real estate investment. Real estate is a favored asset class of the rich for its excellent return potential and tax benefits. You can earn income through rental properties or real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which can provide both regular income and appreciation over time. Real real estate investment is not just about buying a property and renting it out. It involves understanding market trends, identifying undervalued properties, and managing properties effectively. The wealthy often invest in diverse types of real estate, residential, commercial, industrial, and more, across different geographical locations. They also leverage the power of real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which allow them to invest in large-scale income-generating real estate, often with a smaller initial investment. Secret 6. Create automated businesses. The sixth secret to generating passive income is creating automated businesses. The rich often build businesses that can operate and generate income with minimal intervention, such as e-commerce stores, software companies, or franchises. Once these businesses are established and automated, they can provide substantial income with relatively little time commitment. Building an automated business is a journey that involves identifying a profitable niche, setting up robust systems, and perhaps most importantly, building a capable team. The rich recognize that they cannot do everything themselves, and they focus on their strengths. They delegate or outsource other tasks to professionals, freeing up their time to focus on growth and strategy. An automated business, when set up correctly, can generate substantial income while providing the freedom to pursue other ventures or interests. Secret 7. Continual learning and adaptation. The final secret is continual learning and adaptation. The economic landscape is ever evolving, and so are the opportunities for passive income. The rich are always learning, always adapting, and always looking for new opportunities. They are not afraid to experiment and take calculated risks to discover new income streams. Continual learning and adaptation go hand in hand with a growth mindset. The rich understand that the economy, technology, and consumer preferences are constantly evolving, and to continue generating passive income, they must evolve with it. This might involve learning about new investment strategies, adapting to new business technologies, or exploring emerging markets or sectors. They see every change as an opportunity and every failure as a learning experience, enabling them to continually grow their wealth in an ever-changing landscape. Well, what is important for generating passive income is leveraging technology and the digital economy, with keeping all these secrets in mind. This encompasses the use of the internet and digital platforms to create and multiply wealth, such as through e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online courses, digital products, and even cryptocurrencies. The wealthy capitalize on these avenues, setting up online businesses that have a global reach, operate around the clock, and often require lower overhead costs. Affiliate marketing allows them to earn by promoting other companies' products, while their expertise can be monetized through online courses or ebooks, creating products that can be sold infinitely with negligible replication costs. Moreover, despite its volatility, cryptocurrencies have yielded substantial gains for many, reiterating the fact that digital currencies offer a new frontier in investment. Therefore, the digital economy not only opens up new opportunities for generating passive income, but also abolishes geographical borders and time constraints, truly making the potential for income limitless. The wealthy seize these opportunities, continually adapting to digital trends and using technology to their advantage in the path to wealth creation. There you have it, the 7 passive income secrets of the rich, as laid out in The Millionaire Fast Lane. Remember, building passive income streams is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and a learning mindset. But with these secrets in your arsenal, you're better equipped to navigate the path to financial freedom and join the ranks of the wealthy. Before we go, it's essential to reiterate that financial decisions should always be made based on your individual circumstances and in consultation with a financial advisor. What works for one person may not work for another, and it's always vital to do your own research and make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights into the world of finance and wealth creation. Until next time, keep learning and keep earning.